Imagine this. You wake up one day, look in the mirror, and notice something about your body has changed. It could be a small lump, or maybe your skin looks a little different. You might feel a little nervous, but what should you do next? Here's a surprising fact. 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in her lifetime. And even though men can get it too, breast cancer is much more common in women. But don't panic. Knowing what to look for and how to take care of your health can make all the difference. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, a time when people come together to learn about the warning signs and risk factors of breast cancer, and to raise awareness about how early detection can save lives. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is breast cancer? Let's dive in and explore the basics so we can all stay informed and healthy. Breast cancer is when some of the cells in the breast grow abnormally and start to form a tumor. The tumor can be either benign, not cancer, or malignant, which is cancer. Malignant tumors can spread to other parts of the body, which is why doctors aim to catch it early. Breast cancer is one of the most common cancers in women, right after skin cancer. But the good news is that when it is found early, it can often be treated very successfully. While breast cancer is much more common in women, men can get it too. However, it is much rarer in men. Still, it's important for everyone to know the signs and pay attention to their health. So what should you look for? Let's check out the warning signs. The signs of breast cancer can be different from person to person, but here are some things to look for, whether you're a boy or a girl. Change in the look or feel of the breast or nipple. This could mean the skin on your breast looks different, like it might be wrinkled, pitted, or reddened. Nipple discharge. This is when something, besides milk, comes out of the nipple, especially if it's not related to breastfeeding. Lump, hard knot, or thickening. A lump is one of the most common signs. You may feel it in the breast or in the area under the armpit. Swelling, warmth, redness, or darkening. Sometimes the skin on the breast may look puffy, red, or dark, which could be a sign of something going wrong. If you notice any of these changes, don't panic, but do make sure to visit a doctor. It might be something completely harmless, like a cyst or a benign condition, but only your doctor can tell for sure. Getting checked by a healthcare provider is always the best choice. A risk factor is something that makes it more likely for a person to get a disease, like breast cancer. Some risk factors can't be avoided, like a family history of cancer, while others can be controlled, like lifestyle choices. Let's break it down. Family history. If a close family member, like a mother or sister, has had breast cancer, you might be at a higher risk of getting it. Genetics researchers have found that some people carry mutations in their BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. These genes usually help protect against cancer, but if they are damaged, they might not work as well. People with these mutations are more likely to develop breast cancer at a younger age. Age. The risk of getting breast cancer increases as you get older. Most cases happen in women over the age of 50, but that doesn't mean younger women can't get it. Lifestyle choices. Things like smoking, drinking alcohol, and not getting enough exercise can increase your chances of developing breast cancer. Eating healthy foods and staying active can actually reduce your risk. Just like there are risk factors that can make it more likely for someone to get breast cancer, there are also protective factors, things that can lower your risk. Here are some ways you can take action to protect yourself. Exercise. Staying active can help you keep a healthy weight and lower your risk of many cancers, including breast cancer. Even just 30 minutes of exercise a day can make a big difference. Eat healthy. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables is a great way to keep your body healthy. Avoiding too much alcohol and eating fewer processed foods may also lower your risk. Don't smoke. Smoking is bad for your health and can increase the chances of getting many types of cancer, including breast cancer. If you smoke, quitting can help protect you from cancer and other diseases. Regular screenings. If you are a woman, regular screenings like mammograms, which are special x-rays that check for breast cancer, are recommended for women over 40. These screenings can catch breast cancer early when it's easier to treat. If someone is diagnosed with breast cancer, don't lose hope. There are many treatment options available, and doctors have come a long way in finding ways to help people get better. The most common treatments are 1. Surgery. Doctors may remove the tumor or even the whole breast in some cases, depending on how far the cancer has spread. This is called a mastectomy. 2. Radiation. This treatment uses high-energy rays to target and kill cancer cells. It's often used after surgery to make sure any leftover cancer cells are destroyed. 3. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a treatment that uses powerful medicines to kill cancer cells or stop them from growing. It can be given in many ways, including by pill, injection, or through an IV. Doctors will figure out which treatment is best based on how far the cancer has spread and how healthy the person is. Fortunately, many women with breast cancer do very well, especially when the cancer is found early. The most important thing to remember is that early detection can save lives. When breast cancer is found early, before it spreads to other parts of the body, the chances of surviving it are very high. In fact, the 5-year survival rate for breast cancer is 99% if it's caught early. But if the cancer has already spread to other parts of the body, the survival rate drops to about 27%. That's why regular breast exams and mammograms are so important. If you notice any changes in your body or if you're an adult woman, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor about screening and checkups. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and it's the perfect time to learn more about how to prevent, detect, and treat breast cancer. This month, people all over the world wear pink, raise money for research, and spread awareness about the disease. You can join in by learning about breast cancer, sharing what you know with friends and family, and supporting those who are fighting cancer. Remember, taking care of your body now, through good nutrition, exercise, and regular checkups, can help you stay healthy. If you're a kid, you can still make a difference by helping others understand the importance of staying healthy and spreading awareness about breast cancer. Breast cancer is something we all need to be aware of, but it's also something we can prevent and treat if we take the right steps. By understanding the signs, risk factors, and protective factors, we can take action to protect our health and help others stay informed too. So this October and every day, let's wear pink, stay healthy, and support those who are fighting breast cancer. Together, we can make a difference. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.